Let's begin a quick tour of the new Max V2 Channel Manager interface, specifically focusing on how to manage GEO rates, country rates for Booking.com. This feature supports creating and managing country rates to offer via Booking.com from the Max extranet. Let's start by going to the OTA promotion option from the mega menu. By clicking on the ad sign, select the channel and which promotion has to be created. Enter the promotion name. Select the channel. Select the type of promotion. Click on Next to add the detail. Enter all required details and click on Save. Thank you for watching. For more videos on related topics, please visit our YouTube channel.